fried dumplings. Coming on nicely. My dumplings looking all beautiful. Tossing in my vegetables. Gonna saute it, For those who don't know red herring, this is what it looks like. I'm actually gonna take one out of the pack so you can see it. So this is what it looks like. See? That's what it looks like. It's time now for me to add in my red herring that I boiled and I picked them. The reason to boil the red herring is to reduce the salty taste that it has. Now that it's in, we just stir it around. So you see that now it's gonna be getting all the lovely flavors in. To do my green fried plantain, I peel it and I cut it in circles. And I'm gonna deep fry like this. So as you can see, it's in the oil. I'm gonna take it out to press it. I took it out the pot, so it's like this. So we're gonna fold this. Now we're gonna press. So after pressing, this is what it really looks like. Sauteed red herring with my green fried plantain, my fried dumpling, and my steamed cabbage. So this is my happy customer getting his red herring and his sauteed cabbage, fried plantain, and dumpling. Bon appetit. So this is my second customer. Ooh, happy with her food. Wow. This is my third customer's plate. Ooh, too sweet to beat. My mother said that I braided the dumpling.